A company can sell products using the dropshipping business model without ever keeping an inventory of them. After a customer puts an order, the business notifies the product's manufacturer or distributor that the order has been received and should be included in the customer's shipment. On behalf of the dropshipping company, the manufacturer or distributor ships the product directly to the customer. Ordering is straightforward. The customer pays the dropshipper. The manufacturer or distributor is compensated by the dropshipper. The product is delivered to the customer by the manufacturer or distributor. The dropshipper is essentially a marketer. Dropshipping is a cost-effective method for startup business owners to sell products without a lot of overhead because no inventory is required. Additionally, it avoids being trapped with unsold inventory. In this video, we will guide you to start a dropshipping business in 6 simple steps. Before starting, don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel for more future updates. Number 1. Choose a business concept. A company concept outlines your products and target market. Because there are so many alternatives available with dropshipping, you should start with a small selection of goods that you believe will actually appeal to a certain market. Spending some time on this is essential because the concept serves as the cornerstone for the goods you sell, the design of your website, and your marketing. It's important to keep in mind, though, that because setting up a dropshipping product line is quite inexpensive, you have the flexibility to make modifications if you feel you made a mistake or your interest in the product changes. Number 2. Source products. A company idea does not ensure that you will be able to obtain the goods needed to cater to your target market. Spend some time researching products before you create a website. To discover the greatest wholesale pricing for the product, look for several wholesalers who sell the same items. The most well-known online stores include Wholesale Central, Worldwide Brands, Salehu, and AliExpress. You may look for print-on-demand books, furniture, or clothing. Custom graphics are printed by print-on-demand clothing firms onto a variety of clothing types and brands, such as t-shirts, socks, and jackets. Number 3. Select suppliers. Once you've identified the goods you wish to sell, it's time to decide which provider will be responsible for sending the goods to your clients. When selecting a provider, keep the following in mind. Quality. Choose a supplier that offers the quality you want your company to represent. One business model is to charge more for better quality products. Profitability. You should be able to make a reasonable profit on the product. Consider shipping and transaction costs in your calculation. Reliability. You want to choose a supplier that sends products in a timely fashion with reasonable shipping expenses and times. The best way to check for reliability is to order a few products from the supplier and note the process. Return policy. When possible, find a supplier that offers a return policy. Many don't, so you need to check on this before making any final decisions. Number 4. Build an online store. To sell your goods, you must create an online store. An online store is a website that is created to assist you in attractively displaying the goods you have for sale and that has the shopping carts required to handle the transactional processes. For a novice, building the store can be challenging. There are a few moving parts, which is the cause. A content management system, such as WordPress, Shopify, or Squarespace, is required to construct a website. A built-in payment gateway, a domain name, and web hosting are required to accept payments online. Number 5. Register your business. The business must be established as a separate legal entity from your personal assets. It entails coming up with a name and submitting paperwork to your Secretary of State to form an LLC or corporation. Following the successful completion of your online application, the IRS will issue you a tax identification number. Open a bank account that is connected to your payment gateway using this TIN number. The state tax agency should also issue you a sales tax ID, often known as a reseller's permit. The majority of states demand that you pay sales tax on purchases. Sales taxes may also be required of you in the states where you sell your goods. Number 6. Market your business. You cannot simply create a website and anticipate that thousands of people would visit it. The new company needs to be promoted. Because it is online, you are more likely to spread the news about it than you would with other companies in your neighborhood. Sign up for social media groups that are pertinent to your company, then start contributing in a useful way. Dedicated business pages should be created on Facebook, Instagram, TikTok, and other social media sites. Post frequently on new releases, specials, or practical advice for your target market. This is it for today's video. What do you think of our video? Let us know in the comment section below. Thanks for watching.